So this is the GoPro Max 360 refurbished from Amazon in the box though, so I don't know what's in there. I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys, and that's how it comes. If you decide to order one, it's way cheaper. My son messes up. So got the camera. Seriously? GoPro carrying bag, charging cable, mountain attachment, battery, 2 lenses, a mount to actually mount it on something, and the bolt. And that's what it comes with. That's about it. That is it. This thing's gonna be awesome though. It just feels good, I can just tell. Magnetic, nice. Alright, cool. Looks good. I don't see any. It's refurbished. I don't see anything wrong with it. Alright guys. It was only like 360 versus 500, so kind of a good deal. Alright guys, later.